The first time I heard about Gaza was in the news in the UK. People end up seeing it through a very narrow focus about conflicts. Don't think about just all the people just living their daily lives. I've been to Gaza before. It's exciting to be back. I wanted to come back to Gaza because half of our organisation, Yalla, is based in Gaza. I was really interested in seeing everything that GSG was doing. What I saw was just very talented developers. Not only the people I work with, that their levels seems to be incredibly high. The other thing I find as well, which is always kind of scary, is I come back and obviously I've gained more experience in the company, but then you speak to the students and they're asking you about things that you do not know. They are very on the ball when it comes to the very latest things that you need to be knowing. The reason why I think that overseas companies should hire Palestinian developers is kind of rooted in my own experience. Yalla wouldn't exist if it wasn't for the talent that came out from Palestine. And that's why we know everyone we hire from Palestine and bring into our organization always helps lift it to another level. And it's definitely the place where we see ourselves continually growing. The reason I'd kind of recommend it to other companies is just for us, it's been the way that we've been successful. I would really recommend to anyone to offer to mentor, and I think in so many different ways, whether that's just trying kind of helping remotely, whether it's able to come out here in person. There's a community here that I've found that always are interesting in learning about new technologies, principles, ideas, as well as just actually offering some value out to the world.